This one thing is completely ruining your looks, and yet no one seems to be talking about how to fix it. But in this video, I will show you exactly how to get rid of this flaw that makes up such a massive amount of attractiveness. Maybe you've seen someone who looks like this, or maybe you look like this yourself. It's called turkey neck, and it absolutely destroys your side profile. Most people with this problem have no idea how to fix it. They've tried losing weight, they've tried facial massages on YouTube, but nothing seems to work. However, there is a way to fix this flaw and maximize your looks. So take notes. This problem comes from having a low hyoid bone. And that is also the reason you can oftentimes see people that have a double chin even if they're skinny and have a low body fat percentage. A low hyoid bone might occur for several different reasons, such as your genetics and mouth breathing. But most commonly, it's because of bad neck and tongue posture. If you're watching, you can try it yourself. Lean forward and take a picture from the side. And now take the picture again, but keep good posture. The difference is most likely incredible. Because most people go around looking at their phones and have a sedentary lifestyle, they usually develop bad posture, which makes you more prone to breathe through your mouth, but also loosens the muscles on the front of the neck, giving you a soft and weak chin. I found this thread on Reddit talking about this specific problem, and it's probably the best summary you can find in order to fix this problem. So let's get to the solutions. First is correct tongue posture, or also known as mewing. Mewing is when you press your entire tongue towards the roof of your mouth and slightly forward. It will feel unnatural at first, but after enough practice, it will become a habit. This will push your maxilla forward, and the lower jaw will follow, and the hyoid bone will also recover to its ideal position. The second solution is your neck posture. If you're a taller guy, this is especially important because it's a lot harder for you too. Keep your head straight, tuck your chin ever so slightly, and pull your shoulders back and down and look forward. That's good posture. If you're not used to it, it will be uncomfortable and tight, but that just means you have work to do. And if you're serious about glowing up, you will have to sacrifice some comfort for the long-term benefits. The third solution is fixing weakness and muscle imbalance in the neck area. I recommend neck curls on a bench or your bed. Treat it like a regular muscle and perform neck curls between 2 and 3 times a week. Also, do not train to failure, as it might lead to complications and injuries. I would also recommend sleeping with mouth tape to keep yourself from mouth breathing while you're sleeping. Most people with this problem don't even realize they have it, and mouth breathing during sleep can lead to serious complications. And that's all you will need to get the hyoid bone to the normal and healthy position. Now you will also have to decrease body fat percentage. If you're over 20%, just forget about a visible jawline. Also try to decrease carbs and sodium, as they make you retain more water, which extenuates this problem further and makes your face look puffy. Lastly is a general statement, but you should try to increase testosterone and growth hormone. I have a separate video on that, and it might help your bones grow, especially if you're still developing. That's it for this video.